Hi guys, Captain Paul here, and I want to start this video out by saying I do not have a regular job. And I want to just kind of introduce myself. My name is Captain Paul, and we're getting ready to take a trip of a lifetime. And I don't punch the time clock 9 to 5. It's been a lot of work getting this boat ready, and as we get it ready to go from the east coast of the United States over to the west coast via the Panama Canal. So a lot of sea trials, and we put 2 brand new engines in the boat. We put, it's getting, generators are new, and we're just checking all the systems. We put brand new stabilization on the boat. A lot of money spent to get this boat ready for the trip around from the east coast to the west coast. Anyway, follow along as our day continues here. And, and welcome aboard for you guys that are new to the channel.
All right, here we go, Captain. What we got going on, Captain?
Well, we have an issue with power.
All right.
And so I've got to figure out where we're going to get power from on our 24 volt system.
Okay.
So I'm kind of just trying to just look at the system and see what's going on. A lot of stuff going on here, Chief.
Okay.
It's good to have you back on the boat. You're gonna get you got a lot of projects, and you know that I got to head down to Gulf Shores.
Yeah.
And then while I'm gone here, it's gonna be your job to get the boat ready, basically, because when I jump back on Tuesday, we could leave technically, because we'll just pick up our last deckhand in Key West. So it's possible that we jump on this thing Tuesday and do our sea trial and then head right out of here. So,
wow.
But there's a lot to do still.
Can I just say one word? And this is one word to describe the situation. Overwhelming. But I'm not worried about it. I've seen this
got
before.
Another sea trial, and we are going to run the stabilizers. They are up and running finally. And then we got a few more batteries to hook into place. And we had a little scary situation last night, Chief. We had a small little, how should we word this? One word you don't want to hear on a boat. Fire. Anyway, I turned the switch on, and I don't know why the breaker did, but it went up like a Roman candle.
And you know what they say?
Girls like switches.
But not last night.
Anyway, we hit this. That was yesterday afternoon. We hit one of the switches, and a controller was. I don't want to say it was wired incorrectly. It was wired exactly the way we had planned it, but something didn't like something, and so we're just going to eliminate that system.
Yeah.
Somebody didn't agree with somebody.
Yeah. So anyway, but everything's good. Hopefully here in the next couple of hours, you'll get to meet another crew member. So you got Paul, Captain Paul. You got Pete. He's our cook, cleaning, watches, and boat maintenance. Everything on the boat except the engine room, as far as like the electrical and stuff like that.
Yeah.
And then we have Janet. She'll be huge with navigation, and she's going to be, I would almost call her like the second officer. And then we'll have one deckhand that's going to help with run lines and stuff like that. So he gets here Wednesday, and we're gone. The weather window looks amazing too, by the way. So hopefully it doesn't close up on us.
All right, guys. So this is Janet here, and she's going to be probably like our first officer, navigation, helping us get through the Panama Canal. And she's been through twice or just once through the Panama Canal.
3 times.
She's been through it on her own keel 3 times, so it's going to be a great asset. And she also speaks fluent Spanish.
Sí, vamos, vamos.
Anyway, so she's going to be a great asset to the crew here. And we've been talking about this for what, 3 months?
Oh, easily.
4 months. Yeah, about 4 months. And she got geeked up. She's a really good friend of the channel. You guys all know Jim, who did the America's Great Loop at, is Jim 73, 74?
78.
I think he was 75, and he soloed the loop all by himself. So, and these guys are very good friends.
I'll have you know he had Caffrey with him.
Yes.
Yes, he did.
I love Capri. That's one of my. I make Jim. Matter of fact, he called me the other day and I said, "Hey, you know what? Where's my picture of Capri? That's bullshit." Anyway, so great addition to the crew, and we're doing our sea trial today. So I'm glad to see you here.
Thanks. Got to go overboard. Who's putting the wetsuit on in emergency? Hey, no. I think Lee is a diver, so he's not here. He's last man on the totem pole. He's the low man on the totem pole. He goes in the water.
You weren't here for the boat?
So we got Tony. What's the name of your company, Tony?
Seamark Electronics.
Seamark Electronics here in Marathon, Florida. They put in an autopilot. You did a lot of work to this boat, actually. Starlink, autopilot. And so today they're out here calibrating the autopilot. And making sure that everything's talking to each other. And everything appears to be working really, really nice. The backup cameras, every screen's right here. So he's making this circle right here. He's trying to make it as neat. He's making it look professional. Got the remote for the autopilot, stabilizers, everything right on this board right here.
All right, Captain, how we doing today?
Okay, we got some steering issues we got to figure out. Stabilizers are working great,
Good.
but we'll get this system bled and we may go out and try another sea trial. That's what this is all about. Just getting it set up and getting it to where we can actually drive the boat. And what we're having a problem with is we can't get the autopilot to do its little maneuvers things, and we think that
To calibrate, yeah.
Yeah, and so we've got to. I think we've got to do a little more bleeding on the steering.
Okay.
Like I said at the start of the video, I don't have a regular job. I used to have a corporate job, and now I'm a 100-ton captain, and I take these yachts. I do a lot of different training with different people, and then sometimes I do a delivery, and this happens to be a big one. I actually picked this boat up around 4 months ago in Nassau, Bahamas, and now it's been refit with new engines, and just about a lot of new stuff like stabilizers and stuff like that. And we're prepping the boat to take off. So you guys are starting to meet the crew. And, you got any questions, leave your comments down below. And I appreciate it so much watching the videos. I really do. Thank you guys. Bye.